In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable enhanced security on the web in Microsoft Edge in just a few quick steps. This is a simple setting change, but it can be really helpful if you want a more streamlined browsing experience or if a site isn't working properly with extra security features enabled. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner and click the three dots menu. From the menu, click Settings. This will open the main settings page for Edge. On the left side, you'll see several categories. Click Privacy, Search, and Services. This is where Microsoft Edge keeps many of its privacy and browsing protection options. Now scroll down until you find the Security section. You may need to scroll a little bit depending on your screen size and zoom level. Under Security, look for the option that says Enhance your security on the web. This setting is designed to add extra protection while you browse, but in some cases you may want to turn it off. To disable it, simply toggle the switch off. Once the toggle is off, the change is applied immediately, so there's no extra save button needed. And that's it. You've successfully turned off Enhance your security on the web in Microsoft Edge. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.